Hello, I am Sai Jatan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Career. In today's I'll try to show you how you can actually screen mirror the MI11X device to the smart TV. So a lot of users they did ask me this kind of question, friends, how to cast my mobile phone into the TV, is it actually supported or not, and what are the steps to know. So that's what this complete video I did focus finally today. So I'll try to go through the step-by-step tutorial how you can actually screen mirror the phone into the smart TV. So make sure to watch till the end of the video, friends, and in another video I'll try to include the gaming experience as well. So is it possible to do the gaming while using the screen mirroring? So is there any lag or not? I'll try to talk all those details in another video. First, let's get started with this how to cast the MI11X device into the smart TV and how to use the screen mirroring feature as well. I'll try to explain. So right now you can see, friends, I'm trying to use the MI11X device to cast the phone screen on the TV. So on the back side, even my TV is of smart TV. So I'll be using the default casting method. So let's see whether the default method will be working or not. So then if it doesn't work, I'll try to use the third-party applications. So right now, if you press the long press on the casting option, you do get this kind of menu here. And here you can search for the TV. So right now my phone and the smart TV, they both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as you can clearly see, friends. So same Wi-Fi network, they both are connected at the moment. So try to use the same Wi-Fi network to connect. So as you can see, it's still searching for my TV, and finally it did not find my TV. So no need to worry, friends, even if it doesn't find. So there's another application which is called the Google Home. So by using the Google Home application, you will be able to connect to the TV so seamlessly without any problem, which is called, even you can do the screen mirroring as well. So right now I'm trying to do the screen mirroring by using this Google Home. So as you can see, friends, this is our living room TV which is got successfully detected. As I said, both a TV and the phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And right now you do have the control over the volume. You can increase and decrease in the TV. As you can see, the volume is changing in the TV as well. So not only that, there's an option which is called the cast my screen, and in this way you will be able to cast your screen on the TV, on the smart TV, as you can see, friends. So this is how you can do it in the MI11X device in case if you're facing any kind of problems. So try to download the Google Home application from the Play Store and try to log in with a Gmail, and then you will be able to cast the phone screen onto the TV. So clearly it's working 100%, but only thing is that there will be some kind of lag and delay. But I'll try to do the gaming review separately, friends, for you all in case if you're interested. So I'll try to test the screen mirroring gaming as well. But it is just a sample video and the demonstration on this screen mirroring by playing the YouTube video. So you might be able to understand this is how it looks when you try to play the YouTube video on the smart TV using the MI11X device, as you can see clearly. So where the video is playing fine, but there's some kind of lag is going on. That is what my problem is. So I'll try to make another video while gaming as well. So in the gaming, let's see what the lag will be there, how much lag we can expect in the gaming. So right now you can see the YouTube application is clearly working, no problem, but only when you're trying to play the games, then the real problem comes. But definitely I'll try to do the gaming test. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So in case if you're having any other issues, make sure to comment below, friends, definitely. So even you can control the volume and you can decrease the volume. That is what you can do. And if you want to turn off the screen, you can just stop mirroring. So this is how you can stop the screen mirroring. So if you start, just click on this living room TV. So Google Home application is the one which is very much good and helpful for me in this kind of situation. So where I'll be able to directly screen mirror my phone in the TV. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and for more information, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends.